Hurricane.io. I am currently a monster storm with 226-mile-per-hour winds. Looking for other hurricanes. Maybe I'll mate with them. Mating with her other hurricanes basically means eating them. Eating hurricanes that are smaller than me. Come here, Mr. Cloud. If you eat clouds, you become bigger. Don't know why, but I'm Irma, but way more powerful. Hey there. Come here. Hi there. Let me eat you. Oh yeah, you're dead. Oh, you're dead. By the minute you're getting swallowed up. Every minute you've like... Hey, Hurricane Katrina. Irma. Hurricane Katrina 2005. Irma 2017. I can't even see Katrina. Uh-oh. Come on, eat Irma, eat Katrina quick. Please, please. Katrina, no. Okay, I gotta run. Gotta blast. Literally got a blast. I'm not lying. He's bigger than me. Gotta eat this giant cloud that's just sitting here. Am I chipping away land? Hey there. Oh, yes, I'm back. Oh, and so is that giant hurricane that wants to swallow me. No, stay away from him. Oh, god damn you. I hate you. That hurricane uses that hurricane to hide. We're watching him. I'm watching you, Katrina. It's too late now. Crap, I'm also losing mass. Katrina just got 8, but the rest of Katrina belongs to that one that's chasing me now. Please go away, God. It's bigger than me. I feel bigger than him, though. But he's bigger than me. Oh, no. Please. Please. No, stay away. I refuse. I refuse to let you take my Shiba life. I refuse to let myself die. Unless I'm forced to be cornered by a nuke and a gigantic hurricane that's bigger than me.
The ravenous snakehead is threatening the populations of largemouth bass and other native species.
This hurricane has already beaten the highest wind speed recorded. And that was by a tornado. So this is the highest wind speeded hurricane. It already was when it reached 299 miles per hour. See? Look how big he is, and I'm so small. He wants my soul. I can't allow that, though. And I know he's bigger than me because he's following me. Oh! Uh-oh. Are you bigger? Oh, crap. Bigger! No! Run! This just isn't fair. Wait, he looks smaller. I'm still not going near him. Because he's chasing me. And that means he's bigger than me. Because if the AI is bigger, they'll chase you. Can sit. Sit. Ah! Go away! Oh my god. I hate how the hurricanes are so big and mean. I gotta grow. I gotta find small hurricanes that are just a little smaller than me so I can eat them. Thought that was a hurricane. That's just a cloud. Just gotta eat them. Just gotta eat them. Gonna eat them. Holy crap. I'm gonna eat a cloud. Mr. Cloud eating it all night. Mr. Cloud eating it all day. Mr. Cloud eating it all night. Mr. Cloud eating it all day. I eat clouds. The National Cloud Service has issued a cloud warning for a cloudy day warning for. Well, the hurricane will fix that. Hurricane Irma will fix that somehow. Hey, Florida. Definitely don't feel like hitting you right now. I gotta become bigger than other people, so sorry, Florida, if you actually wanted to be hit. I don't think you would, though. I would murder everybody there. Everybody would be instantly dead. I just destroyed an airplane. Where are you, other hurricanes? Oh, hey there. Wait. Oh no! Get away from him. I wonder who he ate that made him so big. I don't even know what his wind speed is. But I think I'm trapped. He'll regret coming by me when I get bigger than him. Yeah, he'll regret trying to eat me. Hey, small hurricane! Oh, is that a bigger than that? He's bigger. Dang you! Let me eat you. Ah! No! Ah! Eat me! Go get the other one, please. Yeah, eat me up. Go get that one. Yeah, go get him for me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this 7-minute video. This was Hurricane.io. But I died at the end, so yeah. Goodbye. Please subscribe if you enjoy my so-called content. And please like the video if you enjoyed this stupid video about me being a hurricane named Irma 2.0. Irma in 2020. Bye!